What's going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards, and I am ripping one box of 2021 Bowman Inception Baseball for Chris C. So, Chris is in chat over on Twitch right now. Good luck, Chris. Hopefully we pull you something big live. That would be so cool. I love when that happens. Okay, I just gotta remember what the setup of these are. I believe I got it. All right. We've got Michael Bush. Hedbert Perez to 99 for the Brewers. Nice one there. This is the last break of the night, Beyond. Got former Blue Jay, Austin Martin. Got Nolan Jones. Drew Waters. Got first autograph to 600 is Jordan Westburg for the Orioles. Nice on-card autograph for you there, Chris. And second auto is for the Phillies, excuse me. That is Johan Rojas, 38 of 99. Blue on-card auto. There you go, Chris. That's going to do it for your break right there, Chris. Congrats on all the hits. We'll get those right out to you again. Thanks again, man.